In this video, let's go through the GoWild app. It's a social media for outdoors, for people who like fishing, hunting, outdoor activities, and all of that. So this is interesting app because usually you would associate social media with just consuming your time when you're sitting somewhere and just browsing Instagram endlessly or TikTok. But this is the app that also encourages you to go outside a bit and to do a bit more like like more active lifestyle. So and then you can reach out to this community and just hang out with like-minded people in this area. GoWild is a free social community that helps outdoor enthusiasts improve their skills, find better gear, and earn rewards. GoWild members unlock rewards as you share your story and purchase gear. Download today and see why hundreds of thousands of outdoors men and women have joined GoWild. You can earn rewards as you earn points for sharing trophies, outdoor trips. You get points on your profile, find the best gear, save your fishing and hunting memories along with your unique stats, find local experts, and then great content easier to find. Followers are not necessary on GoWild. As a form, GoWild makes it easy to find content about the topics you love. So that's the idea. So you can just open the app. You can easily create your account with a phone number or email address. In top left, you will just see your messages and notifications. You can see all the community here. Okay, so basically trail mix, this is like your Instagram feed. You just browse and you can select different topics you're interested in, either fishing, hunting, just outdoor, gym, fitness, all of that, and then you can see like different posts from people in this area. So like some people finding all these different things, so like very focused content. But of course, you're getting a lot of ads and a lot of product recommendations aimed at like active lifestyle and all of that. So it feels different than Instagram or something other where you either have a lot of memes and so interesting app. Then you can just search for content related to biking, bird watching, conservation, fitness, gear reviews, general guides, hiking, mentorship. So for example, if I just want to see something about running, you can just go here. Of course, you can always just go to Instagram and just search for hashtag running or something, but this is more focused community. And then you can select near me. You can allow to use your location. You can disable that. The concept of this app is that it's not, of course, that popular like Instagram, and it doesn't have like millions and millions of users. So probably it's best to use this app when you're in the United States. If you're outside in Europe, I don't think it's that popular here, so you won't be able to find a lot of local communities outside of US and a lot of users. Then of course you can post. You can log time for outdoor activities. You can enter a trophy. You can create a post. You can connect GoWild Watch. You can just write something here. You can log time. You can add the gear you used. You can mention someone. So here you can just select the channel. And then your post is updated. Then there is also a shop where you can buy all the apparel, coffee, fishing, gear, some gift ideas, hunting ideas, all of that apparel. So you can find everything here. No need to go to Amazon and do all filtering there. Here there are some like special deals which you can discover in the app. So that's that. Then here is your account. There are also a lot of rewards. Here's your account, and then you can go to settings, edit your profile. If you're not happy, you can delete your account and data here in the bottom. Connect a smartwatch. Yeah, date. You can update payments, shipping addresses, all of that. So that's an overview. I have like 120 points already because I just signed up, and for that I can get some stuff here. I can use these rewards, and I think when I signed up I got like a $10 gift card which I can spend on this app. So yeah, interesting app if you're interested, if you're about hunting, if you're about outdoor activities, give it a try out this app. I recently discovered it and it started to climb in the top charts in the US App Store, so nice app to check out.